So we're gonna jump straight into this video, and before you continue watching, hit the subscribe button or the like button so you can keep track of my content. Now, as you can see, she is a 13-year-old little girl who suffers from alopecia. And before I do anything to make her feel beautiful again, I apply her wig without adhesive just so we can make sure it's a good fit, because I actually took her measurements from her mom and made her wig while she wasn't with me. So it's definitely a good fit. As you guys can see, the lace doesn't fall over her ears, so we're gonna move on to the adhesive. And most importantly, I just wanted her to see how it looks on so she can start getting excited about having new hair. Now I'm going in with the yellow Gots to Be glued, and that's the only glue I swear by when I'm dealing with children. I don't like to use any other adhesive because you never know how it's gonna react on a child's skin. So I apply a thin amount and I rub it in until it is clear or transparent, and then I let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. And as you can see, the glue is before her hairline. I never apply it on the hairline or at the edge. I apply it right in front. So now that that is tacky, I go ahead and lay her wig and I meet the actual edges at the glue line. So if it makes sense, the baby hair goes directly in front of that glue line. Now we're gonna go in and cut the lace. Ooh, you have to pay close attention to this. So I lift up my lace and I basically trace around it. So like lift it up and cut as close as you can to the baby hair and just trace that hairline. Because once you finish laying it and melting it with the glue, you can put gel or edge control to lay the edges back down. So basically the lace goes behind the baby hair, and that's with any wig. Now with this, you don't have to do too much because like I said, she's a kid and her wig is customized, so it's gonna blend in. All we have to do is press it down. I don't really use melting bands, only if the lace just won't lay down and it's hard for me. But as you can see, we really didn't have to do much of anything for her. And I make these wigs so that the kids are able to install them and put them on themselves when their parents aren't around. Okay guys, so right here I'm just showing her how to be self-sufficient and how to do different styles such as ponytails or top buns if she has no help or if her mom isn't around. So guys, while I was finishing up her wig install, she changed her mind and she asked if she could have her hair curly or wavy instead of the straight. So I am using this hairspray that I absolutely love and I swear by, especially for curly hair extensions, curly wigs, and it works well for natural hair. It's really good for kids too. It's the Just For Me spray leave-in moisturizer, and I will put the link down below where you can get it, and I'll put the name of it in the description box. But I am not generous with this product. I have to use a lot because the more you spray, it gives you the wet, curly, sleek look even when it dries, and you'll see that as I continue to spray. So this is the final look, and I hope you guys like this video, and hopefully you guys remember to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and head over to freewigsforkids.org and drop us a donation.